All right, so here are your stock price predictions for Nvidia for the week of July 1st through the 5th. This is going to be a short week because of the 4th of July. But Nvidia has been pretty volatile, especially since the stock split, right? So we think about investors being able to, purchase shares for cheaper, able to trade options for cheaper premium as well. And so because of that, traders have just been having a field day. Now, this past week, Nvidia had its investor meeting. So leading up to that, we had a fall off, and then we had some buybacks coming, and now we're kind of in this period where we're trying to consolidate, but we'll see what happens this upcoming week. Now, analysts have been talking about that Nvidia will produce such a massive cash gusher that it will have to buy more stock because all that money has nowhere else to go. So we've got rumors of Nvidia doing a buyback because there's so much cash flow. So we know it's going to be a while before earnings comes back out, but they could still, announce that there's going to be a buyback. Now, if that were to happen, this stock would absolutely go berserk. I'll be the first to tell you that, but that has not been confirmed. It's just kind of analyst speculation looking at the cash flow. Now, this past week, we closed the week at $123.54. We made a recovery after coming down to $115.04. So in just a short period of time, we've seen $141 and some change, and then we've seen $115.04, and now we're kind of hovering around 123.54. And so because of that, now we're just kind of in a consolidation phase, at least over the last 2 trading days or so. Now, with next week being a short week, there's a potential that we can kind of remain where we are now to end the week off. But we got Jerome Powell going to be speaking in Portugal on Tuesday. We also have the Fed minutes that'll be coming out on Wednesday. And then we have unemployment data coming out on Friday. So a lot of unemployment data will be coming out on Friday. Now, having said all that, if we're going to go back to the upside, we're going to have to maintain at least a level of support of where we are now to get back to 126. If we can hold 126, the next leg up would be 127.88 and then 129. Now, shall they mention something about a buyback? I mean, all of that will probably go up out the door, and we probably would be back in a 140 range. But that's just, just having fun, just thinking about things if they were to do something like that. Now, if we're going to go to the downside, we are going to come down to 122. If we can't hold there, we'll come into 120 and then 119, 118, 116, so forth and so on. But with a week like next week, I just kind of see us staying within range, honestly. So we'll probably end the week somewhere around between 126 and 120. Just me, just kind of looking the way things are going for next week, okay? And with it being a short week and not knowing if there's going to be any news that comes out. But if some big news comes out, like a buyback, then I told you we'd be revisiting 140. All right. So this is kind of where I'm looking at for Nvidia for this upcoming week. Let me know what levels you guys are looking at. We'll probably do a midweek recap since I know we're out Thursday. So Friday, I would expect a lot more volatility just to kind of make up for Thursday. And Wednesday, I think the market probably will could have a pullback. So Monday and Tuesday can kind of recover some of the losses for the overall market from Friday. And then Wednesday, it's a possibility we can pull back because we don't know what can happen between Wednesday and Friday. All right. So that's what I got for you guys. Let me know the levels you're looking at. I appreciate you, and I'm out, guys. Peace.